Hello, I'm going to be going over the Unit 2 Exercise 3.1. So I've got the grading criteria open here for code the invoice total form. It says to enter the required code for both the calculate button and exit button. So the code that has to be entered is here from this is figure 3-7. All the stuff here is for the calculate button, and then right here is the code for the exit button. If we go to Microsoft Visual Studio, there we go. We've got the calculate button event handler here, and here's all the code as in that figure, and then here's the code for the exit button. I'm going to run that to show you that it works. So here's the form. If I type 255 and hit enter, it'll show our discount percent, the discount amount, and the total. If I hit escape, it'll exit out of the form. And then let's go back into it. And if I type 545 and then I click calculate, it does the same thing. It shows our discount percent, discount amount, total. And I can click exit and it exits out of the form like it should. So that's the exercise. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.